Good morning YouTube, it's Jeremiah here, and today I'm going to talk about what you need to do to your 2021 and up F-150 to look like a Raptor. So this is my 2023 F-150, and you're going to need to change hood scoop, hood, grill, upper molding, bumper, fenders. Basically the whole front flip, except the headlights. So the hood scoop I paid $330, bought it off eBay, that was brand new. The hood I paid $961 off eBay, that was used. And the grill was $650, that was brand new off eBay. These are all OEM parts from a Raptor, so they all fit pretty well. The upper molding was $550 from Car ID, which was like the most expensive part. I guess based off what it does and the material. Bought the SVC bumper. That was $2,080. Got that with 10% off and free shipping. And the fender, the fiberglass. Gen 3 OEM fenders are hard to find. Not too many people are throwing aftermarket glass on their Gen 3s, so finding a set of used Gen 3 fenders and bedsides are pretty difficult to find. I bought the Fiberworks 2.5-inch bulge over Raptor width. As you can see with my mid-travel kit, it fits perfectly. I do have a Raptor axle, but I don't have it on the truck right now. So you do have to widen the rear end to get the glass to sit lined up with the tires. I ran 3-inch bore spacers. That cost $350. So I think about total I'm a little over $6,000. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, why not just buy a Raptor? I already made a video about that. I'll drop it, I'll put like a little link or something on the video so you could watch it. And I think for $6,000 to get your truck to look like a Raptor is not bad of a price. Granted, I did save a little bit of money by going with the fiberglass. I believe the fiberglass is cheaper. I did pay more for the bumper. A couple things too that you're gonna want to note is that the F-150 bumper hangs lower. It has a lower clearance than the Gen 3. So when you get the Gen 3 bed sides, you're gonna have a little part of it where it goes higher and the bumper goes down more. So it's about an inch difference. And that's obviously for the departure approach. Another thing you're gonna note too, see if I can do this with one hand. Oh shit. There we go. You can use your, I don't know even this piece is freaking called, dude, but you could reuse it. There are parts of the grill that aren't going to be lined up right here, as you can see, but you could reuse this. I think this is where the opening is because of the hood latch. I think it must be different though on the F-150. But you will need these right here. These are the bumpers. Bumpers and these moldings right here. Or the seals. I don't know. Leather strips. Whatever you want to call them. These and these bumpers. You're going to need them. If your hood doesn't come with it, mine didn't. So once you switch everything over from the F-150 hood, they weren't fitting and nothing was lined up. So I just ordered those from Ford. They're like $20 for everything. The hood latch you could reuse. or the, I don't know, the pin or whatever. You just need to flip it. One more thing to note too is that the hood, the cowl is also different. The cowl on the F150 goes inward right here and comes back out. I think with the Raptor, this hood cowl or window cowl goes all the way to the hood, so it has like a seal, kind of like that in the area. But to me, I can't really notice it. It doesn't bug me too much. Maybe in the future I'll change it, but as of now, it's fine with me. Everything lines up pretty well. The fiberglass doesn't have the best fitment though, but the fiberglass, it fits pretty well. If you have fiberglass, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, everything lines up pretty well. It's a pretty good job on the molding. Fiberworks. Like I said, I'm not sure if to other people if this is worth it to them. To me it is. I love the way the Raptor looks. I knew I was gonna build a pre-runner. I didn't want to buy a V6 and make it a pre-runner. I wanted a V8. That was a requirement. Just to have a V8 pre-runner. So F150 it is. I don't have Raptor R money, so I don't know if you guys can relate, but yeah. So if you have any questions about what I changed or links or anything or any help, you know, ask them in the comments. I'll help you out the best I can, point you in the right direction. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, comment, like it, follow the journey. Thanks, guys.